Hello friends, in my previous video I showed you how to make this beautiful baby dress for 1 to 2 years and it got an amazing response. Thank you so much for that. A lot of you asked how to make the same dress for older kids, so in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to sew this exact dress for 2 to 3 years old. This is very easy. All you need is a yard of fabric and less than 20 minutes. So grab your fabric and let's get right into the details. So I've cut out 2 pieces of fabric for this dress. I have here 2 pieces and I'm going to be using this to cut out this simple dress. The width of my fabric is 31 inches and I also have a fabric length of 19 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'll fold this fabric into 2. After folding, I have the folded ends here and I also have 4 pieces towards this side. You are going to mark 2 inches from where we have the pieces. Mark 2 inches across and then you connect a straight line connecting the points together from the top to the bottom of the fabric. Then I'm going to fold in this excess 2-inch mark beneath my fabric piece. From the top, I'm going to mark 3 inches and then I'll go down and then mark 4.5 inches from my armhole. So you're going to connect both points with a straight line to form a rectangle. Then I'll draw in my armhole curve. When you are done with the armhole, unfold the fabric. Then you connect a straight line from the armhole to the hem of the dress on the sides. At the sides of the dress, I'm going to go up by 1/2 inch and then I'll slant a curved line towards the center front of this dress. This is to prevent sharp points on the sides of the dress. So cut out the hemline. Then you proceed to cut out the sides, the armhole as well. So when I'm done cutting, I'll unfold it and I'll be having 2 pieces, one for the front and then the other for the back. So this is what the pieces look like. What we are going to do next is we are going to be cleaning the armhole of this dress. So I have here bias strips cut out from my main fabric. I'm actually working with a cotton fabric. So pick up the strip and then stitch down the armhole. After stitching down, you turn it towards the wrong side of the fabric and then top stitch. So I'll be repeating the same process for this armhole as well. Stitch it down, turn to the wrong side and then top stitch. And then I'll repeat the same process for the other armholes. So I've cleaned the armhole. This is how neat they look. This is the wrong side. This is what the wrong sides look like. So remember to give your fabric a good press after you clean the armhole. So we are going to clean the neckline by folding in 1/4 inch and then we'll stitch down this neckline from one end to the other, and I'll be repeating same for the other piece of the dress as well. So stitch it down on 1/4 inch. So I've stitched down the neckline. This is the 1/4 inch fold here, and same for the other piece as well. The next thing we'll do is to feather fold the neckline by 1 inch and then we are going to be stitching this down to form the casing through which we'll be passing our straps. So I'm going to be stitching down on 1 inch. So fold in the other piece of the dress on the neckline and then stitch down on the sewing machine. So I've created the channel at the neckline. This is what they look like for both pieces of my fabric. So I'm placing the right side of the fabrics on top of the right sides of each other, and then I'll go ahead and stitch the sides down. I'll be stitching down on 1 inch. So stitch down the other side. Remember, the fabrics are facing each other on the right side. So I've stitched down the sides. I gave my dress a very good press, and this is what they look like. The next thing I'm going to be doing here is to clean the hemline of the dress. This I'll be doing by folding in 1/4 of an inch twice, and then I'll stitch all around the hemline of my dress. So I've cleaned the hemline, and the neckline is also neatly done together with the armhole. I'll set this aside so we can work on the straps. So for the straps, I have here a piece of fabric. It is 1.5 inches in width, and I have a total length of 43 inches. So I have 2 pieces of this strip of fabric. I'm going to fold in the ends by 1/4 of an inch, and then I'll further fold it again into 2. Then I'll stitch this down from one end to the other to create my straps. I'll be repeating the same process for the other piece of fabric. Just fold in the end by 1/4 of an inch, and then further fold it into 2 and stitch down. So I've created the straps, and this is what they look like. They are looking so good. The next thing we'll do is to pass it through the casing at the neckline. I'll be doing that with the help of my safety pin. So pass the straps through the casing for both neck lines of my dress. So I'll pass it from one end to the other, and while I'm passing through, I'll even out the gathers so it can gather beautifully on the neckline of this dress. So after passing this strap through the neckline, I'll be repeating the same process for the other neckline as well. If you'd like me to make this same dress for other age groups, let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. And that's how you make this beautiful baby dress for a 2 to 3 year old. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more beginner friendly tutorials. I would love to hear from you in the comment section. You can also check out my 1 to 2 year old version of this dress on the channel. I'll be leaving the link under the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.